go out that wall, and then we gotta go that way with it once we're outside. I totally have to try to pull this down.
I'm taking this bitch out, putting in a 90. Fucking shit. And then you got this old fuck walking around. You got that fucker walking around.
Playing video, man.
Oh yeah. It's gonna be a fun day.
This is the only thing you got, right?
Yeah. All right, got that big bitch out. Got our Amana 90% furnace here, which I'm gonna have to adapt to that thing and that thing that's being held up by nothing. It is completely on a fucking 45-degree angle. And then I have to figure out how to run pipes from there over to here without them being head knockers. So, yeah, this is a small nightmare. Fuck. Okay, we got the unit in place. We got the metal work started. I have a brick to fucking hold the coil up while I do the metal, because that's the only fucking support I can find. Return's gonna be fun. I took off that crappy transition because that's gonna fucking blow. One guy's working on the pipes there, but of course everything and its mother is in the way. But other than all the bullshit, we're definitely getting there. So, all right, we are almost done. Got the unit, gas line, got the transition. That was a fucking nightmare. But yeah, all in all, yeah, PVC's coming out good. But yeah, not too bad. A lot of cleanup from that old oil guy. But yeah. I'm just doing the drain now. I added a safety on for him. But yeah, not too bad. Hopefully, you know, pressures are good on the AC portion. Everything vents properly. Yeah, hopefully they're happy. These people were kind of a pain in the ass, to be honest. Okay, we are all done and up and running. We got the safeties on there, got the fancy pump, GFI switch, the pain in the ass transition to that really shitty ductwork. Yeah, she's running good, splits are good, everything's good. The pipes we got going out right over there. We got the drain going into that little pit right there. But yeah, everything's running perfectly. I was concerned because that's kind of low. You don't want people to get head knocked, but yeah, this thing is working like a charm. Just got to test the pump, collect the check, and that's it. And it's only like 1:30, so not bad for a low boy to a 90% gas furnace.